like on Instagram, all they have to do is
Morning.
show ass. Yeah, Tina, we're busting our ass off more than they show us.
Yes, that's another thing. Somebody would say, yeah, put on post. What the magic? Hey, okay, if I post him, I'm not mentioning like tagging on my post, because
Yeah.
that's a follow wish on that.
Which means you got trust issues.
I do.
Let's go to Dubai.
Also, it's about who's we're not in Botswana. We are food. We are in Cape Town. They do it, right? You will see this photo Cape Town or come to Cape Town. And the food for them in the one is
Even celebs.
yes.
Serious. What is he's a 10, but he's a small dick.
What's your?
Yeah, because they always complain about that shandies, yeah. So we have to know.
Ocean probably, because for a picnic, as long as there's time for me waiting Mars, so our own space. Getting it on our first date recently right now. And I was wondering at nah.
Molweni Betunana, and welcome back to another episode of Utopia Unplugged podcast. And this is your host with the most, Mlibo. And yeah, today Mce is in front of the camera. Mce.
What up, guys? It's your boy Mcebisi, Mabaso, aka I see the ice that never melts. And of course, man, my favorite. Clearly today with the most beautiful, gorgeous Andiswa Mthembu.
Yeah, do you want to say hi?
Yes, please. Hi guys, Andiswa Mthembu. I'm 19 years old, 20. I grew up here in KZN, Durban. I'm in a suburban area, Mabaso. I was raised by my gran in a small family of 3. And yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, sorry. There's a video that I've seen on Instagram where Usemakai, doing all those stuff with Brazil and a partner, and that I was quite impressed with you. This is a wife material,
Thank you.
So could you tell me what's like Amakaya Kage like?
Amakhaya asehlokozi lapha ngangikhuza khona was at my mom's house.
So, ukhule emakhaya.
No, I grew up in Amazon suburbs.
Burbs.
Yeah.
She's a burb girl.
Yeah, before Skubelege behind the camera we have Jakalase. Hey Jax, say hi to the people.
I introduce myself. Hi guys, this is your boy Dax James. Like on the right here on your television screen. Welcome to Utopia Unplugged podcast.
For sure.
I think you have energy.
You have energy, my boy, for sure.
So yes, guys, we are coming to you live from a country bake.
For sure. Shout out.
Yeah. So yeah, man, like in Zelendao, do you think you can bring your boyfriend here?
Maybe over for a cup of coffee.
But do you think he'll bring you here though?
I don't know him to be a coffee person, but it's cute. It's
Yeah.
cozy.
Alcohol person?
No.
I was just asking. Don't get me wrong. Just asking.
No.
Since you said it's in coffee, it's not this
Was yeah.
So
Maybe you could.
yeah, anyways, how do you feel to be here?
Yes, up.
How?
Someone.
Like I wasn't expected in, but I'll take it as it
But
is.
for us, though, like it's an honor to have you.
Yeah,
It seems like you're a busy person when you look at your Instagram handles and other social media, So could you please tell us more about how it was like to gain those followers that you have now? Like, I believe you are famous because if you come somewhere, people might recognize you. It's like, yo, we know her from somewhere. Like, could you tell us what each and could be injured to have those type of followers since I believe you have 121k followers, if I'm not mistaken?
191.
Oh, not that.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, so I don't think it was ever intended. We would say I'm trying to grow. I'm a social media. I'm trying to be known for it. It wasn't like that. Also because in the way it's so like so like I didn't know who's in Gaziwangana and getting feel like taking at school. There's people who are, oh yeah, Andiswa Mthembu, go ahead. And then like angazi fika kanjani means I can see it's like because bayangazi abantu kanti le ngivuma khona abanandaba not that abanandaba kodwa also because kuthi unye nakhona nami bengajwayele ukuphuma endlini so I didn't know ukuthi how kanti bangazi kanje abantu.
And you started the content in high school, ne?
Yes, asithi i-content anginayo.
Yeah, you don't have
I don't.
She doesn't have a
But
content.
yeah, but most of I'm a social media ngavula in 2022.
Okay.
Yes, I did have social media before that. I got the message change iPhone, and then I got new, like a brand new Instagram, brand new TikTok. Everything started in 2022, and then I think you won now.
That was after high school.
They started growing in high school. But the main high school I had like less than 10,000 followers. That was in 2022, and my class was also all still new.
So you finished high school in 2022,
Yes.
and then you went to Varsity, which
Thanks, Mr. Jose.
So I took a gap year in 2023, even sevens and 2023. So did my course out too in 2023. So when I say a big fee to go to a big food that 23, but my applications I didn't go that well. Hence, I to get in and during the gap year get a little bit.
okay, amazing. So now you're in Varsity. And
Can I ask a question? Yeah, you said you changed the phone, then you changed social media account. What phone did you change it to?
An iPhone 13, I've had this since 2022.
Now I'm asking because I'm also kind of like doing the same thing. So I'd like to ask, what do you guys think about the iPhone in general? Like, why does it feel as if like once someone changes to iPhone,
It's like iPhone, guys.
nah,
It's
honestly,
all honesty.
iPhone is not my thing actually for me.
Yeah.
iPhone is a bit because Samsung, bro, it's way too advanced than the iPhone.
Yeah,
I
but it depends which Samsung.
Which Samsung
Yeah,
and
with
which
Samsung,
iPhone?
yeah. iPhone is a bit camera. That's all I can say.
No, everything. iPhone gazi right. The camera, the sound, yonke. The music kwa iPhone awukhali njengoba kwamanye amafoni. It sounds like you speak much as singathi speak.
Yeah.
It sounds really iPhone gazi right. And I've had this since 2022. Ngiyako singayo. Ugcwalise 2 years manje. And it's alright, no cracks. Ayiguleki. The battery is still fine.
Partly it's,
I'll completely fit.
No.
yeah, it depends.
Oh.
Also, it depends about what you get copy.
Yes.
Yeah.
I stole it.
Because I'm my iPhone, dog.
Yeah.
When I'm treating so excited, iPhone now. It's a game gonna be a buy.
So,
Don't.
iPhone. Let's go back to your content. Ne? It's amazing. In fact, it's shocking. No, I'm not sure if it's on Bulela after on villain. So like it's shocking because you don't have a content, ne? And I feel like I don't know, but social media, ne, like Tina as Jens, we're doing twice as much than amateur. Ne?
We're doing. Oh, you guys.
Yeah, we're doing a lot. Like you see, the equipment, the cameras, all for your content. But most of like these girls like on Instagram, all they have to do is
Money.
show ass. Yeah, Tina, we're busting our ass off more than they show us. And
Yeah. But then it depends, It depends what type of girl you are,
Yeah.
Because some girls, they just it's possible to be who you want to be, Others, they just show us, as you've said. Yeah, so I believe it's different to who you are. But most of them show us.
yeah. And it's not wrong, ne?
Mina-
You want to see.
What do I do?
When what do you do? She's asking a question.
Do I show ass?
No.
No.
Sometimes we are jive and
But sometimes it feels as if like some people show that as to show that like their body, they're proud of their bodies and being like a woman. So I think Andiswa also does the same thing. Sometimes I've seen Andiswa being like, they were like inside me.
I do wear tight clothes because I'm funny.
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure, for
But
sure.
angigqoki into engaka isikhathi esiningi. Like honest, so njengofa ama-stockings manje, I don't feel comfortable weaving endlini ne-bum shorts. I can't do that.
Why?
I don't know, mhlawumbe ngizohamba kuhambe ngikwazi, but okwamanje ngifeel ngazuthi angeke. Already uyabukwa uma ugqoke into nje that's like a nice long dress, maybe i-tight. Kangakanani-ke mase ugqoke i-bum shorts esikoleni, they can. Abanye, hey mina ngiyasaba.
Yeah, like if you feel ukuthi into akuyona yakho, don't do it. Ubona abantu benza nawenze. Imash.
And also, you know what's fun about Yena? We are trying to answer lives, and she's so vocal about her boyfriend. And yeah, she's vocal.
Let me sit back. This one.
She's vocal, and it's beautiful to see Umdu being that vocal the boyfriend.
Because nowadays you're faithful, bro.
Yeah, siyafihla, and yeah. And why is that, bruh? And before uphendule, she even said in one of her lives, you know what, if ujola nam yazi nabanzo poster.
Yes.
Why is it that important goal?
Kumele wazi ukuthi you belong to me. Nami ngiyafuna ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi siyajoya or that I'm in a relationship. Bengeke basazi ukuthi it's this particular person. Kodwa azi ukuthi Andiswa is in a relationship and akakufihlile ukuthi she's in a relationship. You know, so it's not that ngiyampost avele like ngize ngim-mention or like tag him ngoba they're gonna run to it.
Yeah, like don't you feel like people ruin good things? Like if
They do.
Like abantu emotions and sometimes you just gotta keep some stuff to yourself, you know?
Yeah.
That's how I feel. That's how I feel. But then at the same time, posting your guy, you know, posting your girl, like to show people what I'm cuffed.
Yes.
I think showing your boyfriend shows the loyalty that you can have.
Sure.
Because when you think cheating, you're like, I'm a poster, so.
But bazomtshontsha.
Yes, that's another thing. Somebody will say, ngiyafuna ungiposta. Kodwa manje, hey, okay, if I post him, angingam-mentioning like tagging ngama-post because
Yeah.
bazomfollowisha umthathe.
Which means you got trust issues.
I do.
Mthembu umuntu wakho.
Who doesn't have?
I mean, Mthembu umuntu wakho, bro, come on.
Noma ngimthemba. Kodwa you can never be 100% sure. Like me now, Mthembu is that he's 100%
Yeah.
content with it.
You ain't gotta put your all
But I
in.
heard that your PF is a football player.
Yes.
Is that true? Professional or?
No, not yet.
Wait, please.
Udlala ey'koleni. He's a student, so he plays for
Ufunda
KZN.
KZN.
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
When would you post your person?
Now I'd post a hand. Yeah, that feels like you post her. It's still posting her, bro. Posting her hand, like showing people what's there's somebody
someone
here,
there.
exactly. But what's in the post, and that post, like walking.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
so that noma kukhona omunye mhlambe wakhe or mhlambe omunye bamazela yini they're gonna see ukuthi Andiswa Mthembu posted this guy and mina ngazi ukuthi siyajola sinalo so bazombuzana ngode eceleni mina ngi-right.
I'm not. I'm girlfriend. I'm fully posted. Guys.
Why? Mina
Huh?
Robert.
No, bro. Because it's already not okay. Let's pass.
Explain.
No, man. I'm trying to post and I'm trying to post and I'm trying to post. Yeah. So.
I mean, I'm not sure if he likes what he post that.
But Maraga's complain, right?
No, yes, what's called calling it like the only thing he complains about something about jumping down, like the backgrounds and stuff he does it. So I used to say rather post this one. So he doesn't mind that I post, but we are going to tell it shit. Then we used to say and post this one instead.
So you mentioned that he's a football player, like. So if when he goes to play, like, do you support at the stands, like,
At a distance. So
at the stands? Yeah, like.
I could, but phela mendlalela isikole sakhe ngeke ngikwazi ukuzimfundisa ngeke ngikwazi like edisi akujwayele ukufika abantu baseyikhize because ungena i-student card nani also busy manje so kade ngidlala but
How did you guys meet?
it's on TikTok.
Yes.
What? So Village, you want to like what DM or inbox, I should say. Or...
He posted a video. I commented.
Oh.
I wrote a comment and then my pen do like it from there.
So, like, when you were into him, or was it the other way around? Who was into who? Who
First.
approached who? Yeah.
I feel like it was me because me and I comment, but he was interested as soon as he replied because that's this kind of scene of that
Who
day.
wouldn't?
The whole Andiswa, the motherfucking cheap.
I think it meant something like, if I fall in love, don't do it. Like, don't let me fall in love. Something along those lines. I don't remember.
Was it a hit?
Yes.
Oh.
And then he replied and said, it's a safe space. I think he said that. And then we took it to the GH.
Okay.
So how long have you been pushing like, the pen?
It's been a year and a half. It's been a year and a half. Started using it in 2020.
But, Munane, like, we're talking, not directly about dating, like, Instagram girls. Oh, no, then I become offended.
It's fine.
But you big on Instagram. So, like, dating girls from Instagram, like, I wouldn't date Ntomazana on Instagram for these reasons. Because you guys get DMs from I'm a celeb, people have money, and like, I'm just a simple guy. So I think number trust issues.
And also probably you're insecure with yourself. Because like Njabulo do show say by man and when you're just a basic guy. You shouldn't be like that. Boy.
No. But okay, let me justify myself. These girls are from Instagram, and I'm taking you can correct me if they're wrong on it. But most of them, 9 out of 10, they are after the back. Londo, as if win. 9 out of 10, they are after the back. And they will always be okay.
Yeah.
Okay, even if it's 7, but the fact is there will always be a nigga who has more back than when.
Yeah.
So imagine, like, I can't take her to Cape Town or to Dubai.
Yeah.
Then there comes Mjita, I don't know, man, mama, let's go to Dubai.
Also, it's about who's we're not in Botswana. We are food. We are in Cape Town. They do it, but you will see this go to Cape Town or come to Cape Town. And the food. I mean, one is
Even celebs.
yes.
Serious?
When you go through their profile, you see the cars, you see you see his places he goes. And then look, that's was in Cape Town, or let's go to Cape Town.
Exactly.
Boom.
And besides, do you believe what's less than poster and cheating?
But if it's a celeb, Uchilo about
But again, sometimes you call them many celebs, but you have money.
Yes.
Yeah, you know. So don't believe a lot of stuff that you see on Insta, bro.
no.
Life lesson.
But even the celeb, like, we're boy comedian, and we are husband, but okay, he's a rapper, he's a musician, we are husband by his back, ne? So if Mjita, let's go to Dubai, let's go to Cape Town, mama, like, I'm around Durban. Would you mind to ever?
Yo, but guys, you want to know something about Andis?
What you got, boy?
Something about Andis. Andis actually doesn't care too much about man. You know what he cares about most?
What?
It's all kids.
Yeah, and his nigga is tall, man.
He's taller than me. He's not a tall guy, but he's taller than me. He's like your height.
Okay. What type of height? I'm asking.
Umce is
My
cooking.
heart.
The IC is cooking.
It's probably what I'm exhausted.
Nanokuthi mina I'm short, so most men or boys are taller than me. So like I guess it's a sense like height necessarily because all of them are tall to me. What's going on now?
No. Umce was cooking. So
No, I wasn't cooking, my God.
No,
I was
it was-
frying.
he's the IC.
I was
The IC that
frying,
never
yeah.
melts.
I was frying.
Makes your girl melt.
So good. She just melted. So you didn't tell me like, hey, you would see like who's on duty. Like, I'm concerned.
What are you doing? I'm doing it business slow. Yeah, it's not what I wanted, but it's going well. I'm staying time putting it up with it. So it's the same as I usually say that. Maybe I'm gonna get into DUT and try to change into what I wanted. Which is somatology, which I wasn't able to get into because so many things. Yes, life sciences I'm getting qualified for somatology. I did try to upgrade it, but it didn't go well as well. And it's only in life sciences, that's my problem. So, because I looked, hey, let me stay in Durban, because I did get it an extended curriculum in another province. It's CUT, it's in Free State.
Oh,
Yes, I did get the extended curriculum in 2022. Man, got them matric was in 2023. But then it's more totally off. I have to like act fast to have to accept it. So when I made you born, it was like 2 days. Not making you born, like I didn't know. I don't must totally off. That's fine. So I'm to your phone. You know, I was yes, and do all those things. So my saying, she was, oh, I got this. Till I said, try again next year. So I tried in 2023. I applied for in 2024. This time they don't give you extended curriculum. They just say you grade unsuccessful. It's fine that I'll try other places. Me apply your pedal and apply for DT. Yes, that way we spoke. It was. I also got an offer. It was so I went and accepted that, but I was still trying for Durban for DT. So I did try. I couldn't get really like DT. But I still wanted and then somatology.
But you still could get it though.
I can't think decide I'm gonna finish Ilona, this business law that I'm doing, and then somatology I'm gonna do it myself in 25 days, and then eventually it's body aesthetics, you're studying body, massage therapy, beauty therapy. Yes, Mcebisi without a qualification, I was working.
oh, you're working with me. You took a gap here.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So I did do a little bit of those things. Weekends are in, so I do know.
So could I bring my girlfriend to you, Shamani and stuff?
Oh, you're dating there.
Of course, bro. How handsome child like me shouldn't date. Come on, bro. Jeez.
How long are you dating?
It's been 5 months.
Oh,
And it's going well. I'm counting. Yeah.
Jeff, are you seeing someone? Yeah, me and you, seeing what's up.
Don't worry, guys. If it goes bad, I will join you very soon.
Nah.
But for now, I'm still counting.
Did you see la Landoga Mboro?
Mboro, the pastor.
Yeah, Pastor Mboro.
Yeah, I've seen it.
So you don't follow TikTok when, honey?
I do.
She only follows her boyfriend.
But bro, it was viral and it's wild. Pastor Mboro, you know him,
Can I
eh?
have this now, please?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you know Pastor Mboro, eh?
Nah, she said
She's very scandalous.
Why, what did you do?
No. So what happened? He went to one school, Eastern Cape, no, not Eastern Cape, Joburg. Angisayikhumbuli kahle ndawo. But bekehamba ndoda ungena esikolweni with swords and with amabhouncer bephethe igun, and he was like threatening people ba uzobagwaza, he's gonna shoot them.
That's a pastor.
Yeah. Imagine.
Because some people yeah, no. Owayenza ibili esontweni athi abantu bavalamente bathandana bese anyamalala
Yeah,
bamtshela ukuthi sezibili
yeah, and he even took a selfie there.
bamshaya iselfie nama-angel naboGabriel
bafethu emzansi bafethu
Kuningi okwenzekayo.
yo, this is the most fun country ever.
Bro.
yeah this country
Like every fucking month there's khona scandal esizoba khona. That goes in December there'll be a scandal about a certain stuff.
And it's worse, dog, like it's custom, and it shows how weak the justice system really is, because until now he's not arrested. Imagine,
and man is a what
but he's not convicted.
Probably all but all Venetia first nase courts because
Yeah, he went to heaven.
Guys.
Yo, bruh, it's wild.
wow, okay.
Yeah, it's wild. Mihlali Ndamase.
Yamazi.
When's in the mass?
Yeah, uyawafonela uLeroy. Uyawafonela uLeroy like 75 times, ne?
What? Who's Leroy?
Look there.
Come on. Yeah.
Instagram influencers sometimes are not.
Yo, bruh, like she called not husband, her boyfriend like 75 times.
What?
Because apparently she found out about Leroy is cheating on her.
Man, he's somebody that's supposed to thank you. Wenzaleni.
Oh,
Shy.
yeah, we were shy. Can you believe? Because she went to his house now to confront one young Njabulo, and she was violent. And apparently, Mihlali, she's violent, yabo. So she went there to confront him. But when she turned, and she became violent, Leroy defending himself, Mlibo Mihlali, and she posted the picture yakhe.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
I've seen that.
And this has to be a lesson like to Amanda Mazan, like who are looking up to these it girls. Not everything that shines is gold. Yeah.
So when you prepare that, you see, apart from Chitawak, like you prefer some fancy stuff or remote singing good.
Mind if you start singing I'm serious.
No, they all say the same. Even though she said the same thing.
No. Really, mina ngidlala amagame noma ngithengela mina ngithenga igwini. So into yami uzoyithatha lokho kungithi I can't afford it myself. Ngiyafunda lo muntu in school.
nabangani bakhe futhi dawa gaza namagwinya athi pepina ke amagwinya ke ngathi nabangani bakhe amagwinya uzothatha
So what's that?
in front of your face
But
Yes.
not on your
Can I
first
give you a
date.
fist
Ne?
pump? Wait, can I give you a fist pump? Hey.
But not on your first date. Ne?
Now, obviously, now we're able to be on your first date. Now we're going to be
Yes.
But again, must have be this
Let's take
card.
away.
No, the thing is, if like Ukala on that level, yeah, like Panarati, or Magen Bean, you have to keep to that standard. Yeah.
It's okay, fun for everyone.
It's like if I approach Indomazana and have a moto, already like Uzobanala as our expectations, but this one has it back. Ne? Then man, a novel like Namakunya, like 5 months down the line, and Villa Namakunya.
If I'm tired, but it's also I didn't great. But if I'm tired, she belongs to the streets.
Belongs to the street.
So, what do you do? Like, what do you expect as Indomazana on your first date from Mchita? What do you expect?
Unganga.
Huh?
Depends what you're doing. It depends what you're doing, really. Yeah. Oh, wait, we could go to like Spur, we could go to Mr. Fraz, we could go to anyway, we could go to the beach even. Have ice cream, go watch movies.
I always fumble like the first dates.
What does that mean?
Huh? No, she must finish first. Give her time.
Those things, about many times I'm so really bored. most it was I think it was cheese and I was paying. We went there. Things like that, things he's interested in, things that I'm also interested in. Tell Bola, some weird Bola. Tell about movie, let's go watch a movie. Those things.
Yeah, but also it was different with her and because she's the one who was after the guy.
What do you mean?
Say like
I didn't say it was
But like you were interested before the date. You were interested before the date.
yeah.
So that's why I'm saying it's different.
Most of what's put out is after the guy.
My bad. So one of your first date,
my first date
what do you expect like from Uchera?
from Ucheri.
Uhamba nayo endlini.
Okay, yeah, as I was saying, it was like my first date, it's honestly, I'm gonna go out and eat, just for me to know her better, and stuff like that. So probably it's Ngaya girls or somewhere, or go watch a movie, go to the ocean, probably, go for a picnic. As long as there's time for me, what's in Mars, so our own space. Getting it on our first date, essentially right now. And I was wondering, nah, this guy wants
But
something else.
what if she wants to go like endlini?
If she wants to, then I'm cool with it. But then I wouldn't expect to job sending made a match so when the thing is nah, it's just our our time to socialize and bond and stuff like that. So simple stuff.
So whether Andiswa, let's say umjidi invite her like endlini first time. What do you expect from yena endlini now first time?
You expect ukuthi ngabe uphelile maybe
How?
it's isandla sakhe ngithi nama along the line I'm gonna cook for you baby try. So if ungawazanga ukupheka ke like buy something super something watch a movie maybe. I'm not a fan of movies kodwa singayibuka phela because
Yeah, but movie has a boy. Movie
It's and chill.
has a boy. Movie they got the movie.
Ay, but sometimes we book 20 minutes. You want to see book after that?
Yeah.
also depends but if I'm gonna movie let's go to the cinema because now yeah.
But before we close the show, we close the podcast. Like I got a few questions I need to ask as a game though. You're just gonna pick some few papers, and those papers have questions in it, and you just gotta answer them in an honest way as possible.
Before that game,
For sure.
because I want it because it's special.
Yeah.
If you quick.
Okay, no problem. I'm just gonna set the
So,
papers.
Let's play this game first. It's called here's a 10, but
Okay.
the casa is something negative. So let's say he's a
Mina
10.
zokazi
No, there's a casa. Then also casa, but I know you date him and why.
Okay.
So date, ne? So let's say he's a 10, but he's broke. Would you date him?
I would.
Broke.
He's broke. He's still a 10. Come on. If me and Ngiyabo, I'm pushing something and doing it. So I'm making my own income. So I could drive for both of us.
Oh, sweet.
So he's still a 10, but now I'm like try something. If something's not working, I want to get some something on your own.
True.
And what if he's a 10, but he has a small dick?
What's up?
Yeah, because they always complain about that Shandis, ne? So we have to know.
If it's small, guys, but if you get 10, I'm so
So you don't care about the size.
no, it's too small. It's too small. Like, I just can't.
If he's a 10, but he like aganayo metric or he doesn't know how to speak English or
He's still a 10.
yeah.
As long as there's something going on for himself. Yeah, but I would to impress him. Try something out on your own.
So thina ebantwini
Ngokuthi akana matric. Lungi, mina nginayo.
ne
Yena uthele to the too. If like matric guys I like akubona isikole sona sawo as was if ngizamile esikoleni it did not work out, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to try, this is what this is what I want for myself. So there was a maybe so like a restaurant. Yeah, so I still look to some of the I'm going to stay
And also, I feel like the dating game has changed, or like they are no longer after those guys with 6 legs. As long as no one cover, but as long as you have something.
Sorry? As long as I'm we'll see. I
No,
think it goes with
even
this
if you don't
time.
cover, as long as you have money, then yeah.
It depends, not for all.
She says
Omunye don't mind dating you, unomkhaba, umubi, umnyama because you have money. Mina ngiyakhetha, I'm very picky with my men. I love handsome men, I love indoda. Yabo, it's hard to damn.
No, man, I think you're beautiful. Man.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think you're beautiful. You look like my dad when he's sitting down. Uhlezi ubaba.
Oh, here's Baba. Oh, that's a no. Okay, but can we jump to this game real quick? So yeah, Dana, I got like 50 questions, you know? Nah, you just gotta pick 3. Nothing major. So you gotta answer them in an honest way as possible. Do you mind?
Must I pick all 3 at the same time?
No, pick one and then answer them to the same.
So, how do you feel to be in front of the camera?
I like this one. If you could compliment yourself, what would you say? Give me
Amazing.
nomqondo wami ngiyawuthanda indlela engicabanga ngayo izinto indlela engibona ngayo izinto indlela engibona ngayo imali
Sure.
indlela engibona ngayo izinto I think everything is gonna go well for me. It's going well, it's starting to, it's going well. So nje ngiyithanda indlela engiyona ayikho engishona ngayo.
Sure. And that's true.
No, but in terms of ngaphandle kwento eniyimbonayo ngihle like mina ngiyazazi ukuthi ngicabanga nini what I'm planning for myself and ngiyazincoma ngalokho ukuthi into engiyifisayo I am working towards it. I am going to make it work. Yeah.
Thank you. That's the second question. Amazing answers. Eh?
Yeah,
I love
no.
that. I love that.
Again,
Nah, just 3. But last one. Let's say hopefully that there's a tata match. I mean,
yeah. Meanwhile, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe. Yeah. And Mka, you were saying, how do you feel to be in front of the
in
camera?
front of the camera, but it feels amazing. It's a huge opportunity, you know. Yeah, it's an honor.
Yeah, and also the whole rate by a meltanyana because you always said you shyness of yours.
Yeah, the ice that never melted
Yeah.
makes your girl melt. She melted. Okay.
But almost really old team. Who's that one person you lost touch with and wish you can be in touch with again? I ain't get. Honestly, I get foods in general
Alright, cool.
that I lost touch with. And I wish some kind of hey that I lost touch with.
Like in high school, probably.
Hey, I was high school, I'm at dinner laugh and I'm fine.
Alright. Last question.
Why is this? I do so get out 3
That.
because of time.
Huh?
Is it because of time? Just get out 3.
Oh, you want more?
Good. I'm enjoying this. What's a song you play by yourself but never with other people? I ain't.
It should be like one song, like we turn our head or like all my time. It's like my
Yo,
You know, I'm just going to say about the
Klambe, it touches you in a different way.
or maybe Anaconda, you like to play Anaconda so that you can twerk.
Oh, I didn't. I don't
Like-
know, maybe there, see. But I can
So,
But also
you turned
like-
Anaconda?
Usade ngayiqini but ngangiyithanda phela ngesikhathi sayo.
She was back in high school. Very much
Yes.
was in high school working very nice.
No, I'm not gonna ask you about what is it.
No.
Kuzothi ukuthi can I twerk a card?
Oh. But for the record, bengazubuza.
Buza yona.
No, man.
Okay. That's it. I'm not for answering the
No,
questions.
thank you for coming, man.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you should come again, Mka.
Yeah.
For sure.
I feel like we were too short. I was too short.
Yeah.
And when I'm at the questions about that, so All right then. Get some questions are going. Like, do you remember everything that you had planned?
Yeah, I'm sharp, so kumule again.
Okay, that's fine.
But thanks for coming, man. Oh, do you watch the show?
I do. I will.
So far,
It's going well.
which episode is the best for you? Like,
I didn't watch all of them good, but I did like yeah.
Did she inspire you in some way though?
I think for Uber inspired by someone made ends into office now.
Sure.
So I feel like it's real.
Yeah.
She does other things, I'm doing other things, and I equal like there's as fun. Yeah, but she's doing really well for herself.
yeah, shout out to our girl. Like, oh, manje seyivela nokuzalo, ne?
Huge opportunity. We're proud of her. Proud of her. So, but then, without further ado, we're afraid to thank you all for watching and subscribe. We saw your podcast unplugged, and please do. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to catch more of what's going to happen. And by the way, Andiswa Mthembu, Mlibo, the most beautiful, man. I mean, it's an honor to have you. So yeah, guys, and thanks to our man behind the camera, Undix, Mlibo, bro.
Yeah, no.
It's an honor.
Yeah,
And
it
thanks
goes
to
without
the
saying.
venue.
Thanks.
It's a pleasure, guys. So, from us, Utopians, we say bye bye.
Bye for now.